Let's go grocery shopping together. I have my list. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I made a list of a few things that I want to get to the grocery store. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is kind of a combination of a few things. It started out as a very heavy gardening channel, which then developed into a slight bit of weather because I live in the state of Wisconsin now that you just never know what it's going to do here. One day you might have a snowstorm, the next an ice storm, and then a week from that you might have a tornado. I don't know, it's crazy here. So today we're going grocery shopping, like I said. This channel also is now including recipes, whether it's baking, cooking, certain recipes like soups, casseroles, whatever it is. I'm trying to live a healthier lifestyle, so I am more or less vegetarian diet. I'm working on the vegan side of things. It's been slow for me though, because I just don't want to change just like that. I went from, I guess meat wise, like I didn't have to have a lot of it. Would I eat it daily growing up? Until this point, yes. Then recently I kind of brought it down to where it was more chicken, fish, and now I'm pretty much cut that out to where dairy wise, I'm not drinking milk or trying to use as much cheese. But am I using Greek yogurt in my bread that I make? Yes. I may change that here eventually. Like I said, this is kind of a slow process. I'm trying to train my body into going into this, and I feel like I'm doing pretty well. I'm trying to learn recipes that I would like and enjoy versus dread making. For example, am I a chunky tomato person or onion person? No. So I have to kind of tweak recipes or just not make certain things at all. But I'm making things that I enjoy. However, I have to tweak recipes to make it where it doesn't involve meat, certain dairy. Again, I'm doing this for my health. I want to incorporate more veggies and fruits, and so this is where we're coming into this channel. And I figure if I can add it to a garden channel, because hey, what do we grow in the garden? Veggies and fruits. Along with my grocery list, if I can find some fresh, where I guess sometimes in the produce section you might see like basil plants or different things, we might pick some of those up today too to grow our own. So yeah, I started trying to eat different, trying to lose weight back in June. I started with intermittent fasting. I did the what was it, 16-8, is that right? 16-8. Oh, yeah, I have to think about that. But I did 2 of them. I went from something to another thing, and it was intermittent fasting. And then like I started losing a little bit of weight, and then it kind of stopped. So then I thought, let's bring in Weight Watchers, because I was paying for it anyways. And I wanted to kind of monitor what the intake was that I was eating. So then I started doing that and intermittent fasting. So more weight came off. And so it is mid-August right now. Well, it's almost the end of August, whatever. But I've lost about 10 to 11 pounds. And that's kind of where I'm at. And I'm trying really hard to either maintain that or lose more. It's been a battle. And, you know, I'm not young anymore. So being that middle age, your metabolism starts to kind of poop out a little bit, and it's just harder, you know. And I'm not on any medicines or GLP-1s to help me lose weight. It is just strictly diet. and a little exercise. I tried to do some light, like free weights with dumbbells, or I've started walking. So it's more or less like low cardio and diet. That's it. So is this easy? No. Does it come off like always? No. It's been a journey. And my main goal is, you know, before I did all these diets or whatever, and you lose it, but then the minute you would start eating different and you just wouldn't stick it with it, the weight would come back and then some. So I'm really trying hard to focus on diet this time, especially and a little bit of exercise in the middle. So I'm at about 10 to 11 pounds. Would I like to lose 40 more pounds? Absolutely. But I'm trying not to stick 40 pounds in my head. I'm trying to do like baby steps. So my next goal is like, okay, Jill, we need to lose another 10 pounds. So that's where I'm at. It's just going to be a lot of patience, learning, and experimenting. And so, okay, let's talk. Let's talk. I've been working all day and it was crazy. It's crazy busy today. The past 2 days have been kind of crazy and it's only Tuesday. So let's talk. Let's drive to the grocery store and let's finally go shopping. Let's zip it. No more talking. All right, let's go. All right, I might be making a big mistake. So I love thrifting, okay? I went thrifting and I am just so happy. I got some cute things. But in the meantime, sorry, my phone rang. Anyways, I'm going to try to get to the grocery store now. Like, I'm semi-hungry, but you know, you could tell like when your body needs food. And I'm to that point and I'm like, no. I should have ate a snack before I left, but I didn't. So let's try to get through the grocery store so we can get home and cook dinner. All right, now I'm gonna find my snack here. Where is it? Well, I'm not sure what I did with my shopping list, but maybe it fell on the ground or something when I was checking out. Anyways, so I spent a total of $145. Now I feel like eating this way, I can actually, I find myself where I feel like I have more than when we were eating a lot of meat and dairy products for some odd reason. I don't know. I just seem like I have more when I come out of the store. Okay, more for what I paid for. Anyways, I got a snack. I have sweet apples and caramel because I have a 30-minute drive to go home and it's 8 o'clock and I haven't eaten dinner. And no, I'm not like starving, but you just know when your body just needs something. So yeah, we're gonna have a little snack. And thanks for shopping with me, guys. Follow for more because now we have some new things that we can make some new recipes with. So hit the subscribe button, follow my journey of a healthier lifestyle, and hopefully I will lose more weight in the meantime. Bye, guys.